Hi friends, welcome to Lino's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a special prawn curry. It is prawn curry with coconut milk. So let's check out on how to make this. First of all, in a mixie jar, add in 1 cup of scraped coconut, 2 green chilies, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and few tablespoons of water, and grind all this to a coarse paste. You don't need a fine paste, it just needs to be a coarse paste. Next, in a pot, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and once the oil is hot, add in 2 green chilies. You can avoid this if you don't want the curry to be very spicy, but since we are adding coconut milk in this, it won't be on the spicier side. And then add in a handful of curry leaves, the sliced small onions, and just give it a mix. And then add in the garlic and the ginger and saute till the onions have become translucent. Add in enough salt to taste also. This will cook up the onions faster. And once the onions have become a little goldenish brownish color, add in the coconut paste and mix it well. Let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame till the raw smell of the masala goes away. Meanwhile, soak 2 to 3 pieces of kokum, or what we say in Malayalam as kudambuli, in half a cup of water. Now once the coconut and onions have all blended and cooked well, add in the prawns. Here I am using 1 kg of prawns, and these have been deveined and washed. Now mix everything well so that the prawns are coated with the coconut mixture, and allow it to cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Also add enough salt if required. Then add in the kokum along with the water and also few curry leaves. Give everything a nice mix so that it combines well, and cover it and cook it for around 10 to 12 minutes till the prawns are well cooked. And don't forget to give it a stir every 5 minutes. Once the prawns are cooked well, reduce the flame and add in the coconut milk. Turn off the flame once the coconut milk has become warm. It shouldn't boil. Okay, now let me just give it a taste test. It tastes yummy. So friends, see how simple and easy this was to make. Sprinkle some curry leaves also to give it a good flavor. So do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to watch my prawn fry recipe. I'll put the link in the description box below, or you can click on that I button over there. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and please friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe. More recipes coming your way. Until then, take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching Lino's Kitchen.